In this video, I will compare Sunsama versus Todoist and tell you which of these scheduling/organizing tools may be best for you and your needs. So first, let's go and compare their key features, starting with Todoist. So Todoist, their headline is Organize Your Work and Life Finally. So they will help you organize your life by setting up tasks, and it basically works as a scheduling software. Now, Todoist, in my opinion, is more aimed at team collaboration compared to Sunsama. You will see in terms of their actual features, you can capture tasks, so you can add them quickly, you can set up recurring due dates, you can set up reminders, and it integrates with over 80 different softwares. Now here you can see what it looks like on every single platform, so you can use it for desktop, Android, iOS, even on watches, so wearables. You have the browser extension, so then you can click on the extension and you will see your to-do list, and you have email add-ons. So using Todoist, you can set up projects, you can set priorities for tasks, you can add labels to tasks, you can give a task a description, and you can set up sections and subtasks. So it's just a pretty general scheduling tool with a bunch of different helpful integrations. Now, if you look at their pricing right here, if you bill monthly, they have a completely free plan which will help you start organizing your life for free with 5 personal projects, smart quick add, flexible list and board layouts, 3 filter views, 1 week activity history, and you can integrate with email, calendar and more. Then they have the Pro plan, which is €5 per month when you bill monthly and €4 per month when you bill annually. Now here you will get 300 personal projects, you get a calendar layout, task reminders and durations, 150 filter views, unlimited activity history, an AI assistant, and deadlines are coming soon. So one thing in the Pro plan that I think is pretty essential is the duration, so that you can actually plan out your day. However, in the free plan, it is expected that you won't get full access to everything, of course. But then you also have the business plan, which is €8 per user per month when billed monthly and €6 when billed yearly. And this is to manage teams. So you have a shared team workspace. And that is really what I think Todoist excels at, working together in teams. And also they have a free plan, so if you are looking for a free option, then Todoist will be best for you, since Sunsama does not have a free plan available. Now looking at Sunsama, you can see their headline is to make work-life balance a reality. So this is more for individuals and not so much for team collaboration. Now in terms of features, they have a bunch of helpful features such as a guided daily planner, a unified daily view where you can really easily schedule everything in. You can set daily goals and also weekly goals, which I like a lot. Then you have time boxing, so it does look very aesthetic, as you can see right here. And you will see, for example, this right here is a task from Trello. This one is from your Google Calendar. So you can integrate with all of these softwares right here. So Notion, even with Todoist actually, and with GitHub, Asana, and a bunch more. And you can really easily drag in tasks into your schedule. And those tasks will also stay in sync with the actual softwares. So for example, if a Notion task you have dragged in gets updated, and for example, the description changes or a link is added, then that will also update in Sunsama. Now finally, before making a conclusion, let's look at Sunsama's pricing. So Sunsama, you can try it for free for 2 weeks, and they have a monthly subscription at $20 per month and then a yearly subscription at $16 per month. Now I do like this pricing structure a lot, so in both of these plans everything is included, but if you pay yearly you just have a small discount, and monthly isn't even that expensive in my opinion. So when should you use Sunsama and when should you use Todoist? In my opinion, if budget is the most important factor in making a decision, then Todoist will be best for you, since they have a completely free plan, and even this one right here can be as low as €4 per month when billed annually, and €5 per month when billed monthly. Now if you're looking for the best planner for individuals, then I would definitely say that's Sunsama. However, the downside of Sunsama is that you cannot work together with your team in Sunsama and have one unified place to work together. So if you are looking for that, a place to collaborate with a team, then you want to go with Todoist. So to sum it up, if you're looking for the cheapest option for individuals, go with Todoist. If you're looking for the best option for individuals, go with Sunsama, in my opinion, of course. And if you're looking for a place to work together with teams, go with Todoist. Now I will leave a link to Sunsama down in the description, and through that link you can claim a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. I would appreciate it a lot if you sign up through my affiliate link. Now I will also leave a link to a full Sunsama tutorial that I recently created. It's about 13 minutes long, and in that video I share everything about how you can use Sunsama, how you can set up recurring tasks, and it will save you some time if you don't have much experience with these types of planners. So make sure to click on that link as well if you're interested in learning everything you need to know about Sunsama if you do decide to go with Sunsama. So that concludes this comparison of Sunsama versus Todoist. If this comparison was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.